Hello, I'm Dr. Loel Payne with Tidewater Orthopaedics. I've been an orthopedic surgeon in Hampton and Williamsburg, Virginia for 25 years now with Tidewater Orthopaedics. I grew up in North Carolina, so this was close to home. I went to the University of North Carolina for medical school after completing my undergraduate at Duke University in biomedical engineering. After that, I did my training in orthopedic surgery at Yale University. Following that, I did an additional year of training at the Hospital for Special Surgery in New York City, where I focused on shoulder and sports medicine related problems. I've been fortunate to be in this area for 25 years now and have made this home. My primary focus at this time in my orthopedic practice is shoulder and knee surgery. I really enjoy those two areas and have focused my entire practice on becoming as much of an expert on these areas as possible. I specialize in trying to manage patients with shoulder and knee related problems and do it as conservatively and compassionately as possible. I know people are in pain and we're going to try to alleviate that, hopefully without surgery. We'll often try injections or therapy. If those are unsuccessful, I'm going to recommend surgery in as least invasive a manner as possible to try to get you back to your active lifestyle as quickly as we possibly can. Currently, I'm seeing patients in both the Hampton and the Williamsburg office. I enjoy treating people who come to see me with pain and are looking to resume an active lifestyle.